My work with communities for over a dozen years or so now has certainly impacted my scholarship and teaching on multiple levels. The U.S. has always been a diverse country, but too often the voices of those not in the mainstream have gone unacknowledged and thus become marginalized. For me, the idea has always been to try to find ways to increase the kinds of voices seen and listened to by policy and decision makers. This has become evident in both my academic writing and promoting of student voices that otherwise would not appear in the literature or be heard in the classroom. As I have membership in several such communities, those that have seen themselves as marginalized often look to people like me to leverage resources to get their ideas out and into the marketplace. So it has been exceedingly rewarding engaging them in this meaning-making process. I certainly see that communities have become more willing to work with universities in getting some of their public health, education, and community development needs addressed. Typically, community-based groups find it difficult accessing the university campus setting and all that has come to mean in terms of the ivory tower mystique. As such, community groups are still finding it difficult accessing this aspect of the American dream. The impacts I've found in working with them in this engagement process have been quite rewarding. On a social and political level, community groups have increased their voices being heard in the marketplace, from healthcare to Ebola, bereavement aftercare, and public transportation. We've tried to be most approachable in developing with them interventions that are timely and culturally responsive.